What if one of the most iconic luxury cars in history returned in 2026? This is the Cadillac Model 30, a symbol of innovation, prestige, and craftsmanship, now reimagined through a modern cinematic lens. In this video, we'll explore its exterior design from front to rear, step inside the cabin, and take a look at what could power this timeless machine today. Let's begin. From the front, the Cadillac Model 30 stands tall, with a bold, upright presence that immediately feels authoritative. The centerpiece is a large vertical grille, finished in deep gloss black and framed with polished chrome, delivering a strong vintage identity. Above it sits the classic Cadillac crest and a refined hood ornament, reinforcing its heritage. The round headlights maintain their original shape, but now glow with modern brightness, blending classic design with contemporary lighting. Beneath them, smaller signal lamps add detail and depth. A standout feature is the pair of external brass horns, mounted prominently on each side, an unmistakable nod to early automotive design. At the lower section, subtle LED accents integrated into the bumper introduce a modern touch without disrupting the car's classic character. From the side, the proportions are pure vintage luxury. You immediately notice the long hood, upright cabin, and flowing fenders, creating a silhouette that feels elegant and timeless. The deep metallic green paint enhances the car's premium presence, especially under natural reflections. The side-mounted spare wheel adds both functionality and strong visual identity, emphasizing its heritage. Classic details continue with chrome side steps, thin door handles, multi-spoke wheels with white-wall tires. The black, soft-top roof contrasts beautifully with the body, completing a design that feels both sophisticated and authentic. At the rear, the design stays true to its origins. A rear-mounted spare wheel integrated into a luggage compartment becomes the focal point, reinforcing its classic touring style. Below it, the elegant Cadillac script stretches across the rear panel, simple yet premium. The round taillights glow warmly, maintaining vintage aesthetics while subtly modernized. The chrome bumper is clean and wide, paired with dual exhaust outlets, hinting at performance beneath the surface. The rear design feels balanced, refined, and unmistakably nostalgic. Inside, the cabin is all about craftsmanship. The dashboard features rich wood finishes filled with analog gauges and polished metal controls. The steering wheel carries a classic wooden design, thin yet elegant. The seating is upholstered in tufted black leather, offering a luxurious and timeless feel. From the driver's perspective, the long hood stretches forward, guided by the hood ornament, while city lights reflect beautifully across the road, creating a truly immersive driving experience. Originally, the Cadillac Model 30 was powered by a 4-cylinder engine, producing around 30 to 40 horsepower, impressive for its era. It was also groundbreaking, being one of the first cars to feature an electric starter, eliminating the need for hand cranking. For a 2026 interpretation, this model would likely feature a modern hybrid powertrain or a fully electric system, blending performance, refinement, and modern efficiency while preserving its historic soul. Back in its time, the Model 30 was a premium vehicle. If reintroduced today, a modern version like this would likely be estimated price $150,000 to $300,000 plus. Positioned as a limited luxury or collector model. Release, most likely as a heritage concept or special edition, celebrating Cadillac's legacy. The 2026 Cadillac Model 30 is more than just a car. It's a tribute to the origins of luxury itself. A perfect blend of history, craftsmanship, and modern imagination. So, would you drive it? Or keep it as a collector's masterpiece? Let me know in the comments. And for more automotive deep dives like this, don't forget to subscribe.